Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to flash firmware on our branded DMA card 35T. If you have a card from another brand, you will find instruction for flashing it in our DMA Cheats folder. After you have installed the DMA card in your main PC and made sure that it meets these requirements, connect the USB 3 cable to the JTAG port of your DMA card. Connect the other end to the USB 3 port of the second PC. On the second computer, go to Flash and Tools folder and run the DigX. Click Options, list all devices. You will see several devices among which there will be RS232HS interface 0, 1, 2 and 3. First select RS232HS interface 0 and click on big button Replace driver. Wait for the driver to be installed. Then repeat this procedure for RS232HS interface 1, 2 and 3. Next, change the name of the firmware file to PCI Lich Screamer M2 Top. Move your firmware to this folder and run flash file. You should see the process of flashing. It will take about 2 minutes. If the flashing process hasn't started, make sure that you use our branded DMA card, try using another PCI Express slot and another USB 3 port on your second PC. After the process is completed, turn off your main and second PC and turn off the power. Make switch on the power supply to position 0 for 30 seconds. This is a mandatory step, don't ignore it. After 30 seconds, reconnect USB cable from JTAG to data port on your DMA card and turn on your main and second PC. If you have full emulated firmware from dmacheats.com, go to this folder and follow the manual. You will receive WinRAR password from the manager when you purchase our firmware. If your firmware is not fully emulated, you don't need to follow this step. If you bought fully emulated firmware anywhere other than dmacheats.com, you also don't need to follow this step. After installing the firmware, I recommend clearing the history of previous devices connected to your main computer. This is necessary in order to erase the data of previously installed firmware. To do this, run PowerShell as administrator on your main PC and enter this command. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. After that, go to this folder and run lone DMA test. Select 1 full test. As you can see, everything is working and the speed is great. If the test was failed, try restarting both your computers using a different PCI Express slot, a different USB 3 cable and a different USB 3 port on your second PC. Then you can repeat flashing process. If the test still fails, most likely there is a problem with your DMA card or firmware. I don't recommend using cheapest cards from untrusted stores. If you need a high quality card or firmware, you can buy them on our website. It was a video instruction for flashing firmware on DMA card 35T. See you in the next videos.